Okay, to remove these guys, first thing I'm going to do is remove the lens. When you do this, there's something on the back that's going to fall out. That's okay, you just want to make sure you retain these pieces because we're going to reuse them. Right? That's the way it came out of the back. Okay, on this guy here, you're going to need a 1/2 inch wrench on the back side for that nut. This guy is actually a Torx. To remove this guy here, you're going to need to get up underneath this fender. What I would do is I would remove any of the wiring out of the way. It's a 1/2 inch nut. You're going to need to remove that nut. That'll allow us to pull this cover off, and then we can get that wire out of there. When you get that removed, the light's not going to come out because it's being retained right here by this guy. So take you a deep socket, remove that. This piece will actually fall out, and then you'll be able to get that out of there. I'm going to use a 5/8 socket. Okay, when you loosen that nut, what that's going to do, it's going to loosen this piece right here. You're able to pull that out. We're ready to put the cover back on here.